Somebody recently, a prominent journalist asked me, Sadhguru, if I am a Muslim or a Christian, can I come and enjoy MahaShivRatri? I would like to come there. I said, Muslims cannot come, Christians cannot come. In search of well-being, you don't do some crazy ritual. But this is MahaShivRatri. Here, irrespective of who we are, no matter which country you belong to, what race, religion you are, this is a day of the human being. Somebody recently, a prominent journalist asked me, Sadhguru, if I am a Muslim or a Christian, can I come and enjoy MahaShivRatri? I would like to come there. I said, Muslims cannot come, Christians cannot come, Hindus definitely cannot come, only human beings can come. Because this is in celebration of human nature. What Adiyogi stands for is this, that in search of well-being, you don't view philosophies. In search of well-being, you don't look up to heaven. In search of well-being, you don't do some crazy ritual. In search of well-being means you turn inward because human well-being is generated from within. The science of turning inward, which today largely in one single word it goes as yoga, this science, the basic spine of this knowledge that he created is the basis of almost everything that is happening on the planet in the name of spirituality. Nothing is outside of the 112 ways. It is to honor these 112 offerings that he made to us, that we put up this 112 image of him. But we must understand, Adiyogi is here not to remind you of the past, but it is a promise for the future. Because for the first time, for the very first time in history of humanity, more human beings are beginning to think for themselves all over the world. Otherwise, the priests and the pandits and some messiahs and others thought for people. This is the first generation where maximum number of people are beginning to think for themselves. Only in this kind of situation does he become relevant. He is relevant because he is 100% logically correct and his approach is scientific. Never before generations of people were ready for him. It is now and the next generation and the next generation which is truly ready for his teaching or his transmission. So, Adiyogi will be coming up in many corners of the nation. We already have one in Bangalore. Our Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka is here. Namaskaram, Shivakumar. And various others are here, but in Bangalore it's already up and in many other places it'll come. This is not about simply establishing for the sake of anything. This is the most important thing is to offer human well-being. To offer human well-being as a technology, not as a teaching. To transmit well-being as a technological process, that is, human body is the most sophisticated mechanism. This body and mind are the most complex technologies on the planet. If you do not know how to handle this, there is no question of well-being. So, the whole approach is in this form and every one of you, no matter what religion, race, creed, caste, whatever you are, if you are human and you have an erect spine, MahaShivRatri is relevant for you, Adiyogi is relevant for you, the yogic sciences are absolutely relevant for you. It's fantastic to have all of you here. This is a full night Odyssey, you know that. Hello? Already slept off? What? Yeah, I want to see some life. What is this full night? Someone from United States, a prominent person, was asking me, Sadhguru, how is it possible? Full night, how will they be there? I said, this is the only event. 12 hours, full night, all sorts of people from various backgrounds, from many nationalities. Where there is a party where there is no alcohol, no drug, no intoxicants, but everybody is intoxicated with Shiva. This is the only party like this on the planet. So I want to see more life, not like this. What? Hello? Our Home Minister is a very lively person, you can't put him down. I want you to show more life, what you are made of. It's my pleasure and privilege to welcome Amit Bhai, our beloved Home Minister. Here I offer my Adiyogi shawl so that he becomes part of this mission of Maha Yoga Yagna.